Yesterday's video we have completed practice set 15.6 question number 2. In that only first and second one's done. Third one we are going to do it today. I hope you all remember the formula, that is area of circle is equal to pi r square. And what is circumference of a circle? That is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, so now we shall continue question number 3. What is the question given? Area is given and we have to find out diameter. How will you find out diameter? If you know the radius, double of radius is nothing but diameter. So whatever radius you get, you are going to multiply it with 2. Okay. So question number 3. What is given? The area given as 12,474 square centimeter. Okay. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square. Always write the formula first. Now what is given? Area is given as 12,474 is equal to value of pi 22/7 into r square. Like the previous sum, how we have done same way, we are going to shift this 22/7. When you do the shifting, what happens? Numerator, if you take the reciprocal, numerator will become the denominator, denominator becomes the numerator. Okay. So here 12,474 into 7/22 is equal to r square. Now students, this number is little bit bigger. It's 12,000, more than 12,000 it is. Directly by 22, if it is divisible or not, it's better how to do. You know 22 is divisible by 11, so just cross check whether 12,474 is divisible by 11 or no. So we just divide by 11, 12,474. 11 ones are 11. Okay, now here 1 is remaining. 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 33. And then 4 remaining, carrying this down, 4, 11 fours are 44. Yes, it is divisible, correct? So we can cut off this and we can write 11 how much are 1,134. 11 twos are 22. Now you can see again 1,134 is again divisible by 2, so we can cancel this denominator and we can cancel this also. So 2 how much are 2? 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. 567 into 7. Whatever is remaining, write it in the next step, is equal to r square. Multiply 567 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 4, 7 6 are 42, 6, 1, 7 5s are 35, plus 4, 39 is equal to r square. R square is 3,969. So what will be r? That is nothing but square root of 3,969. Now yesterday's problem also we have come across a root number where it is more than thousands. It was more than 12,000. Here it is more than 3,000. So how can you find out square root if you don't know directly? What I said, it is very easy students to find out the squares of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Correct? Now we have this 3,000. Now just check 50 square is how much? 50 square is coming as 2,500. So we have to move on other. It is less, correct? We want 3,900. So just check after 50 square, next will be 60 square. How much will be 60 square? How much you are getting? 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros you will get 3,600. Correct? 60 square is 3,600. That means it is almost near to this number. That means the square root of that number will be after 60. Okay. So 60, how much it will be, we don't know. So how to check them? After getting that, if it is more than 60, what are we supposed to do? Check here. Last units place, which number is there? 9. From 1 to 10, you all know the square. Correct? So where digit 9 is coming in the end, that is in the units place. Either it is 3 3s are 9, correct? 3 square you get 9, or 7 7s are 49. So last number, so here also last number 9, here also last number 9. So you know it is more than 60, you know either it will be 3 at the last or 7. So just write it 63 square. How much you are getting? 63 into 63, 3 3s are 9, 18, 6 3s are 18, 36, 37. So 9, 6, 1, 9, 3. Yes, we are getting 3969. That means what is the square root of 3969 is nothing but 63. Then we need not check 67. Okay. So we got R is equal to 63 centimeter. What is asked in the question? We don't have to find out radius. Instead, we are supposed to find out diameter. Into 63. So it is nothing but 126 centimeter. This is the diameter. I hope you all understood. So here more and more practice is required, students, to practice similar problems. Now, third question, you just have to draw the figures, just draw the circles and keep it ready. And then we have to write the solution to this. Okay? Yes. Now you can see this is the figure given. What is asked in the question? Diameter of the circular garden is 42 meter. Okay. There is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. What you can see, this circular ring shape which you can see, that is what? Nothing but the road of the. And what is there in the center? This is garden. Okay. What you can see inside, it is a garden. Okay, then find the area of the road. So we have to find out the area of this entire thing. That is the road, how much it is there, we need to find out. Okay. What information they have given? They have given us diameter of circular garden. That means, suppose this is the center. So the entire measurement is given as 42 meter. Okay. This is given in the question. What else is given in the question? Width of the road. That means distance from here till here. From this point till this point, it is nothing but 3.5 meter. Clear? So this is what given here. Now we have to find out the area of circle. Now students, how will you find out? Here you can see radius is given to find out the area. We can easily find out the area of this garden. How much is the garden, we can easily find out. Because half of diameter is the radius. Radius is double of diameter. When diameter is given, half of that will be the radius. So with the help of that, we can find out how much is the garden. Now, how we can find out the full area of this full shape, entire space occupied in this board, in the circular shape, we can find out. By how? What will be the radius from this point till the end of this, till it reaches the circumference of this road. Okay, this will be the radius of this full big circle, outer border which you can see. So you have to find out the area. Now easily, if I go to explain you all, just take an example. You have a sheet of paper. Okay, I am just roughly showing it to you all, students. Okay. Now, in this sheet of paper, if I ask you all to draw a circle. So, using the compass, you are going to draw a circle. I am just roughly showing you all how you will draw. Okay. This is just a roughly I am showing you. With the rounder, if you suppose draw a circle. So, in this entire page, you have occupied this much space. Okay. So here you will get some area, that is nothing but this full circle, bigger circle. Now if I tell, draw one more circle inside the circle. Okay, so you will draw one more circle. Suppose you have drawn like this one more circle. Okay, so here also you have used some space of this page, entire page, correct? So that is nothing but the area what is occupied here, the space which you used here. Now if I tell you all students, I want a ring shaped circle, I don't want whatever is there in the center. So what you are going to do? You can either fold this like this and you will cut the center portion, correct? You will cut off this, then only you will get that ring portion, isn't it? So when you cut off this, what you are doing, from that big circle you are removing a part of that circle that is there in the center. Okay, you will cut it off. So while solving, cutting means what? Now you are removing this from that bigger circle. So here what you are going to do, here cutting off means nothing but you are going to subtract. So that from the bigger circle you are going to remove that center portion. That removing means you are going to subtract this garden, then only you will get how much area is occupied by this row. How to do, I will just explain you all. Now first, what is given in this garden? How much will be the radius? Write down, radius of circular garden is equal to d upon 2. Diameter given in the question as how much? Diameter was given as 42 upon 2. You will get 21 meter. So we can find out area when radius is given. When we found out radius, area of garden will be how much? Pi r square, 22 upon 7 into 21 square. Okay. So 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. 22 into 3 is nothing but 66 into 21. So just multiply. Now while solving this, it's easy when you do like this. 21 on the top and 66 below. As the numbers are repeating, as you solve it is easy. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 126 only will come when you again multiply. So same thing, copy. 2 1 6 8 3 1. Okay. What you are getting here? 1386 square meter. We got the area of this garden. Now what are we supposed to do? This full plot is how much circular plot? That area we will find out. Okay. For that we need radius. So what will be the radius of that circular plot? This much plus the width of this road. Total will be the radius of the circular plot. So you have to write radius of circular plot is equal to 21 plus 3.5. That is nothing but 24.5 meter. We got the radius. Now we can find out the area. Area of circular plot is equal to, you have to write the formula, pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 24.5 square. Solve it, how much you are going to get here? 22 upon 7 into 24.5, okay, into 24.5. You can just check whether it is divisible by 7. 245. It is divisible. 35, 7s are is 245, and one decimal point is there, so you will also put a decimal point. Correct? Now we are going to multiply. 24 0.5 into 3.5. Just check how much you are getting over here. So your 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 20, plus 2 22, 5 2s are 10 and 12. 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 13, 3 2s are 6 and 7. 5 7 5 8 and decimal point 1 2. So 1 2. So you are getting 22 into 85.75. You are going to multiply. When you multiply, what answer you are getting? So 85.75 multiplied by 22. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 15, 5 2s are 10, 11, 8 2s are 16, 17. Here we got once we multiplied, now again it will be the nothing but same thing. 0, 5, 1, 7, 1. 0, 5, 6, 8, 8, 1. And decimal point you have to put up, that is before two numbers. So what you are getting here? 1886.5 square meter. This is the full area of this entire portion. Okay. From that, only garden is how much? 1386. So only road will be how much area? So you are going to subtract. So how you are going to do it? Area of road is equal to area of circular plot minus area of garden. 1886.5 minus 1386. When you subtract, how much you get? 500.5 square meter. This will be the area occupied by the road. Okay. So this is how we are supposed to solve. Now the last question is remaining. Let's see what is the question all about. What is there in the question? Fourth one. Find the area of circle if its circumference is given. Okay. Circumference is given as what? 88 centimeter. Now you all know what is circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Using that formula and substituting the values, you will get r, radius, correct? If you know the radius, it's easy to find out area. So accordingly we will find out the area. Now how to solve this? Let's see. Okay. Now what is given here? Circumference given as 88 centimeter. We know circumference of circle is equal to how much? 2 pi r. Circumference given as 88 is equal to 2 into pi value 22 upon 7 into r. Now students, what you can do is either you can shift the entire thing over here, or first you multiply 2 into 22. How much you are getting? That you can write it together, that is 44 upon 7. You can shift all together as it is, you can shift. Anyway it is fine. So 88 into, when you shift these numbers here, what happens? It becomes reverse. So 7 will come on the top and in the below, what will come in the denominator? 2 into 22 is equal to r. 22 4s are 88, 2 2s are 4. What is remaining? 2 into 7 is equal to r. So therefore what is r? 14 centimeter. We got the radius, now we will find out the area. It is easy. Area of circle formula is nothing but circle is equal to pi r square. Is equal to pi 22 upon 7 into 14 square. That is nothing but 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14. Correct? 22 2s are 44 into 14. Now multiply 14 into 44. I have placed 44 down so that it becomes easy. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. And 6, 5. 6, 11, 616 is the answer. Okay. So what will be your final answer? 616 square centimeter. This is the solution. So calculation, don't just copy whatever I am solving, students. Please do it on your own. This is just I am showing what answer you are getting. Don't just copy from the video. Try to solve on your own. Calculate yourself. All the methodology you can copy. But solving part, dividing part, all that you try by yourself. Pause the video, try, and then cross check whether the teacher's answer and your answer is correct or not. Then only you are going to learn, or else you will not be able to learn by just copying. Try to understand the problem, revise the formula. Now don't get confused with circumference of a circle and area of circle formula. One shortcut to remember is that area is always what I said, it is measured with the help of small squares. So in area of circle, in the formula you can find out square. Okay, area square. So area of circle pi r square. Circumference not square, correct? So here formula also it is not having any square. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Area of circle pi r square. Clear? So don't get confused. So with this we have finished our chapter number 15. Okay. So many formulas are there. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of rhombus we have studied, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay. And then you have studied area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Half into sum of the length of parallel sides into height. And then we have studied about triangles. Two formula, one which you have already studied in 7th standard. That is when height is given or when you find a right angle triangle and height is mentioned. So which formula you are going to apply? Half into base into height. And when height is not given, only sides are mentioned. So you are going to use Heron's formula. Square root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. How we are going to find out s? S is nothing but semi-perimeter. So you are going to add all the sides, naming as ABC, a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay. Then we have studied area of circle. What was the area of circle? Pi r square. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Okay. In case of any doubt, if you are having students, please feel free to share to me. I can help you out in case of doubt clearing. So any doubts if you have, just leave a message in Google Classroom and I'll clear your doubts. Okay. So we'll stop it here. So we have finished our chapter. In the next video that will be coming on Tuesday, kindly watch the video. There I am going to start a new chapter, that is surface area and volume. Till now this chapter, whatever we studied, chapter 15, it was about 2D figures, how to calculate area, etc. Now the next chapter which we are going to study, next chapter, that is chapter 16, is nothing but 3D figures. Its area, it's occupying some space, all that we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.